Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Steam gift card code that helped me save a lot of money on my Steam gift card purchase, completely free. If you're looking for Steam gift card codes, Steam discounts, or ways to save money on Steam games, make sure you watch this video until the end. How do you get the Steam gift card promo code? It's very simple and only takes a few minutes. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Steam. Click on Steam, scroll down, and you'll see the available Steam gift card promo codes. Then, click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Please note, these Steam promo codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal Steam gift card code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you want the exact link and step-by-step instructions, check out the pinned comment below. I explain exactly where and how to get your Steam gift card promo code so you can start saving on Steam right away.